Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I made these cute ass Christmas strawberries, and this is the chocolate I decided to use today. Okay, so we're gonna use the fairy tale whatever thing we can get at Michael's. Y'all know I put y'all on last time. So for this first berry, we're gonna start off with the white chocolate base, and I'm just prepping my red chocolate because guess what we're gonna do first? If you guessed a gift, then you correct. Yes, we are. So this berry is probably the simplest one. And we basically start off with two lines going down and two lines going to the side. And I wanted to keep it a little different. I love peppermint vibes, so I decided to add some white stripes onto my little gift wrap. And it gave me real, peppermint vibes or whatever. I absolutely loved it. So I didn't know what bow to put on my gift strawberry. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna use. So yeah, that's actually the one I decided to use. The very first one I filled up and the very first one I took out. Cause it's cute. It's a classic. Come on now. So for our next strawberry, we're gonna be doing a gingerbread girl or woman, whatever we want to call them. I don't really know, but anyways, so I started off with these little lines. I ended up finding this picture on Google because I needed a little bit of inspo. Okay, we all need a little bit of inspo, you guys. So yeah, I did it just like the picture, and it's like little waves, I guess, Alright, you guys, so all we gotta do is do the little 2 round circles, fill them in with black, and then do 2 cute little side straight lines, and it looks like little eyelashes, and it makes them all cute and girly. And don't forget the little smile. So I went ahead and added a little glare to her, and look at her, y'all. I know y'all seen her. And now I'm about to make her man's. So again, this one's hella easy. I did the 2 circles, no little eyelashes, and then the little smile. And then to make them a little fancy, we just added a little bow at the bottom. And all you need to do is add the little glare to his eyes, and bam! You got a cute ass little gingerbread man's. So, my gingerbread girl and gingerbread man's are married. So I had to make them a little gingerbread house. Come on now. So this is my inspo I found on Google. Tell me this house is not hecka cute. Y'all already know I said I love me some peppermint vibes, so I had to do a peppermint house. This berry was hella hard, you guys. Well, it wasn't hella hard, but it just took so much more time than the other ones, because of all the different colors I had to do, and I had to let things dry, and y'all get the picture. But anyways, so I had to draw on some candy canes onto my gingerbread house because we love some peppermint vibes. I've said this hella times already, but like, you know, if you want to take a little shot game with my video, then go for it. But anyways, yeah, so I went ahead and drew 2 peppermint candy canes on both sides of the door, and I went ahead and made that big, it was just gonna stay red, but then I was like, nah, we gonna make it into a little peppermint. So yeah. And here I go doing too much, but it's the right type of doing too much, you know what I mean? So I felt like my gingerbread needed a little bit of more color, so I decided to add a little bit of green. And then I went ahead and striped my candy canes. So to give it that little like snow effect, I went ahead and just did a bunch of dots on the roof. So I felt like this made it look a little bit more like snow, a little bit more textured. And then I went ahead and made a little I keep forgetting the word to this. But you guys know what it is. Y'all know what it is. A fireplace, right? Yeah. But anyways, yeah, I went ahead and like, so it can be like all smooth and stuff. I didn't want you guys to be able to be like, oh, she stuck it on with some chocolate, you know what I mean? Like, even though you know, but like I feel like you should have known. So yeah, so I just went ahead and did like little waves on the roof to make it look like more snow. And yeah, so you guys know what I'm doing with this green. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, you have to have a Christmas tree in your Christmas holiday box. Come on now. So I went ahead and started off with a plain green dipped berry, and to add like a little bit of texture to my tree, I went ahead and just did a bunch of little stripes on the tree, and this took forever. When I tell you guys that my wrist hurt after this video, believe that. And come on, y'all know that I'm about to decorate this Christmas tree, okay? So I decided to do a little bit of yellow in a bag because we're gonna make a garland. It's like simple, just lines, you guys. Like, don't do too much. And to keep the whole peppermint vibes going on, I decided to do little candy canes in our trees. And I just added 3 basically in each tree, and it's so freaking cute. I feel like it pulled the look together. And of course, you gotta add a little bit of ornaments. I just went with red because that's my favorite color. And here's a little hack for you guys. So basically, I just went ahead and drew a little star on a piece of aluminum foil, and it turned into a little mold, basically. So that's what I'm gonna top my tree with. You guys, here's how I make my cookie butter. Top secret. So basically, you get some cookie butter and you put in your chocolate. Easy as that. So for this strawberry, I decided to start off with a cookie butter base because I'm going to be making my cute little reindeers. It's Rudolph and his little boo thing that also got a red nose. I actually forgot to show this in the video, but the color that I'm using right now is still cookie butter. I just put more of the cookie butter in it. That way it gets darker and I can use it for details. So don't forget the little eyes and the little eyelashes because this is Rudolph's girlfriend, you guys, and she cute. And here goes my hack again, you guys. I'm doing some ears on a piece of aluminum foil so I can add them onto my Rudolph and his little girlfriend. And just to add some more detail, I went ahead and did like white specks on top of her head. And I added the glare to her eyes, and bing bada boom, baby. She's hella fucking cute. Oh, and since this is Rudolph's girlfriend, of course she's gonna get a bow. Like, come on now. Tell me she ain't cute. Let me find out you guys are hating. You guys, stay with me. Stay with me. This is how I started off my Santa Claus berry. I started off with two black eyes, and then I did a little black oval right there, but it's gonna be like kind of like his mouth is open, you know what I mean? Yeah. You guys, tell me why my dad said that I got inspo off of him for Santa. Like, excuse me, sir, you look nothing like Santa. But anyway, so I went ahead and drew a line for on the top of his head, and I'm gonna make that into his little Santa Claus hat. And here go the part that took me forever. This is another reason why my wrist was hurting. But anyways, I basically just went ahead and shaped his face, and then the rest of it I filled it in with white. And trust me, that took forever. To the top of his hat, I ended up going back with the white again, and I did some white dots just to add a little fur. And yeah, isn't he so freaking cute? Oh my gosh, and don't forget his nose, you guys, because I almost forgot. You guys, I was so stressed out making this strawberry because I hate making two circles that are supposed to look even, okay? So make sure to take your time when you guys are drawing on Mrs. Claus glasses. So I went ahead and did like little bangs on her, and I filled up that whole top portion. And that was also another little hack thing, you guys. The circle I did it on the aluminum foil again, and then I just put it on the top of her head, so it looks like a cute little bun. And of course, I went back to add a little bit more texture, and I just did strands, so it just looks like her hair's swept up to the back. And then I did a little bit of texture on her bun, so it looks like kind of like hair. So to finish off my Mrs. Claus, I went ahead and added a cute little red lip to her, and I added a nose. And that's it. She's super cute. And here go my handy dandy mini cupcake liners. Y'all know these are my favorite. So I went ahead and was showing you guys how I thought I was gonna like how my box to look, but you guys will see. So I decided to change my pattern because I wanted my gingerbread house to be in the corner, the very corner of the box, because I just wanted to stand out the most, and I just love that freaking strawberry. I just had to show you guys my cute little gingerbread nails. But anyways, I hope you guys liked my video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be posting real soon, you guys. I promise. Bye.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
How could I be so stupid?